To remove a background from an image or a photo on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we're gonna go to the gallery. Now, in here in gallery, we're gonna choose the picture from which we want to remove the background. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Next, I'm gonna use this pen icon that we have at the bottom of the screen. Use these 4 circles that we have on the right side at the bottom of the screen again. Then in here, choose the lasso option. Now here, once we have the snap to shape selected, we should be able to draw around the subject that we want to cut out. The app should be able to pick up the object quite easily, and then we can of course go next. There we go, the background has been completely removed. You can also add the outline if you want to, and we can of course tap on done, and we can of course save our photo. But if you tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner, then you can save copy, so you keep the original photo if needed. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.